Hello guys, welcome all of you, and now we are going to see the clampers. So what is mean by clampers? The circuit by which waveforms can be shifted at a desired DC level is known as clamping circuit. Thus, a clamper circuit essentially adds a DC component to the signal, sometimes known as DC restorer. We have seen in the previous lecture that the clippers are the circuit by which we are going to cut or clip out the part of the waveforms, but in this the clampers are the circuit which in which we have does not change the peak to peak or the RMS value of input waveform, but here we only shifted the waveform at a desired DC level, that means upwards or the downwards. A clamping circuit changes the peak and average values of the waveform. So let's see the working of the clamper circuit. Here we have seen the waveforms. In this figure shows the working of clamper circuit. The input signal is sine wave having equal negative and positive swing of plus minus 5 volt. The positive clamper adds DC component and raises the signal upwards. Here we have seen, suppose this is positive clamper. Therefore, in this input waveform, we have to add the DC component and output waveform is shifted or raises the signal upwards. Therefore, this is called the positive clamper. We have seen that it may be noted that the original shape of the waveform has not changed. You have seen the original shape of sine wave. Here we have get the output voltage, but here shape of the waveform does not change. There is only vertical shift in signal. Such a clamper circuit is called positive clamper. Similarly, in case of negative clamper, the input signal is shifted downwards. Therefore, by this means that there is two types of clampers. First is positive clamper and second is negative clamper.